as a property investor, you need to be able to do your due diligence on a property. And part of doing due diligence is knowing what the address of a property is. So, like literally, these houses, without knowing what the address is, how can you do any due diligence? You've just got Coley, Oxford, OX4. That's it. So if you ring up the estate agent and you ask them for the address, they're not going to give you the address. They're going to just say they're going to sell you on doing a viewing. So as a professional property investor, I like to know the house number. I want to know the full postcode before I even bother picking up the phone and ringing the agent. How do you find out the door number? How do you find out the full address? Well, there's a few little tricks you can do. The first thing is if you pretend that you're trying to get broadband, show broadband average speed. Okay, you need to do this on a computer, not on an iPhone. It won't work on an iPhone. But if you're on a laptop and you're looking at this house, you want to know the address, go and compare the market, ask what the broadband speed is, and then room back out shallow, just like that. There we go. That's the postcode. Full postcode. OX43HX. So now you can start doing due diligence now. You got the postcode. That's a little bit more helpful. What about the door number though? Well, the actual door number, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get the door number. It's pretty advanced, but I'm going to zoom in. And often you can see the door number on the front of the door. It's literally that simple. Now on this occasion you can't. There either is no door number or they've blurred it. So I'm going to then start looking at the wheelie bins. Nothing. No door number. All right, cool. There's so many ways to do it. How about this? Go on market info. I can see the last time this house sold was in 2001 for £143,500. So, if we go to sold properties or sold house prices, we know what the postcode is, so we can put the postcode in. OX43HX. Let's find the property. So it sold for £143,500. So I'm just going to scroll down. This is right back to till 2001. But I need to get that door number. Because without the door number, I'm going to... there we go. £143,500 in 2001. That's the matching postcode. And boom! 21. Now we have the actual road name as well, which we didn't even have before. Let's just check that's the right house. Let's check it's the same property. You can tell by looking at it, it is. Oh, and back then they had a door number as well, but they took that off because probably the estate agent blurred that out. They do not want you to know the door number of these houses. We need to know them as professional property investors. You get the door number, you then start doing your due diligence, and then if it looks good, book a viewing, start offering on properties. So there's a little hack on how to find the door number. There we go. Land Registry tells you the full address now. And now we can start doing all kinds of due diligence. I can start putting that in my softwares. I can start finding out the value of it. All kinds of stuff. But you need to get the full address. You ring up the agent, they're not going to give it to you. That's why I'm making this video for you guys. So if this video was helpful, please let me know you like this video by smashing the like button. Subscribe to the channel. So much more like this coming soon.